If you have ever started a budget and quietly stopped using it later, stay with me. By the end, you will be able to spot the exact reasons budgeting breaks down and what to do differently. Most people don't fail at budgeting because they are bad with money. They fail because the budgeting system doesn't match how real people behave. In this video, we will break down why that happens and why most budgets fall apart. As you watch, ask yourself this: have you ever started tracking a budget and then quit halfway? If yes, this video is for you. Budgeting isn't just numbers, it shapes your daily choices: what to delay, what to prioritize, what to ignore. But when budgets fail, they don't clarify, they stress you out. This hits freelancers, students, and business owners alike. Most people just give up, even if even if it looks right. Ask yourself, is your budget helping you make decisions or just getting in the way? Most budgets assume you will behave the same way every month, but life isn't like that. Expenses change, priorities shift, attention drops. That gap is why people give up. Instead of fixing the system, many blame themselves. There's a huge reason budgets quietly die, and believe it or not, that's not even the biggest reason yet. Tracking every expense sounds responsible, but it can burn you out. When feedback comes days later, it doesn't help decisions in the moment. People don't quit budgeting because they don't care. They quit because the effort feels bigger than the benefit. When budgets feel like restrictions, they trigger resistance. Suddenly, it's like your own spreadsheet is watching you. That emotional friction makes sticking to it hard. A budget that feels like punishment, chances are it won't last. For freelancers and small businesses, income isn't steady. Traditional monthly budgets rarely match that reality. When the numbers don't line up which, with actual cash flow, trust in the system fades fast. Many people dive into advanced budgeting tricks before mastering the basics. Complexity feels productive, but it actually makes people quit. A good system grows with your experience. It doesn't overwhelm it. A budget should guide decisions, not just record history. If you don't know how to act on the numbers, motivation fades. When a system can't answer real world questions, people stop using it. No short term wins. Progress feels invisible. Motivation fades. People stick with systems that show results quickly. Budgeting often delays that satisfaction, making it harder to keep going. Without fast feedback, effort feels pointless even when results exist. What actually works better? Fewer categories, focus on decisions, simple checkpoints. Budgets work best when they are lightweight, flexible, and decision focused. The goal isn't control, it's clarity and direction. Simple systems are the ones that survive real life. Here's a practical framework. Focus on fixed with flexible costs. Track trends, not every single expense. Review weekly, not daily. The simple framework cuts effort while keeping clarity. It works with how humans actually behave and adapt. The goal: consistency over perfection. Here's a real world example. Freelancer with variable income use simplified tracking and focus on clear weekly decisions. Instead of chasing every expense, focus on cash availability and upcoming obligations. Decisions get easier, stress goes down, and the system adapts without constant attention. Common misconceptions. More detail is better control. Failure means lack of discipline. One system fits all. Most budgeting systems aren't personal failures. They happen when the system doesn't match reality. Reframe it, and you can redesign your approach instead of giving up. Key takeaways: budgeting is behavioral. Simplicity keeps it alive. Systems must adapt. If budgeting hasn't worked for you, it's not useless. It just needs a better approach. Focus on usefulness, not perfection. If this helped clarify budgeting challenges, reflect on how you would redesign your own system. Thank you very much.